welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a stitch fix for you. Most of you know what a stitch fix is. Stitch fix is a selling service that's online only. You pay them $20. The stylist curates items for you based on your profile that you fill out at the beginning. They send you those items and you then keep what you want, send back what you don't. The $20 gets applied towards whatever you keep. I have the Style Pass, it's $49 a year, and I can use that throughout the year and apply that to my fix as well too. Buy all 5 items, get 25% off. So, now that I told you about Stitch Fix, I've had some drama with Stitch Fix. You might have watched my last video, which the last Stitch Fix I got on January 29th. And that's a long time considering I get my fix every 2 to 3 weeks, all right? So the last one I got was January 29th. And when I got it January 29th, it was late then too. And I was very patient, and after a while of it being stuck in styling, I had emailed them and I'm like, it's in styling forever. And they apologized to me and told me that there was a problem with one of the items that was damaged and they were trying to find a replacement for me. So I said, okay, fine. So I finally got that fixed. I liked the items. There was nothing that I jumped for joy for, and I ended up sending it all back. You know, nothing wrong with the items. I had similar, and there was just nothing that screamed out to me must have, but it was a long time I had to get that fixed. Fast forward, I was supposed to get this fixed middle of February. And again, it was finished in styling. I had my preview, so it was in styling for about a week. I had my preview, and then I even had the shipping notification, like a label was created, and that's as far as it went. And then I waited, and I waited. I felt like I was being a pain in the ass reaching out to them again, but I did. So I reached out to them again, and I said, hi, it's me again. You know, what's going on? And they said, well, it looks like your package has been lost, because all it said was label created, and it never even made it to the post office. I know it was coming out of Bethlehem, PA, and that's as much as I know. So I have a feeling they created the label in the warehouse and then lost my package somewhere in the warehouse. So I saw that everything that was in the fix, and I liked everything except one pair of shoes, which when I saw the shoes, I was like, are you serious? They're totally not me. But that's okay. That fix vanished. So this time they said, we'll turn your fix around really quick. They gave me a new stylist, obviously, because my stylist probably wasn't available because they needed to quickly turn it around since mine was sitting forever. I got a new stylist. This time, I was able to see 10 items and choose which ones I wanted to keep. So she shows me 10 items, and I was kind of annoyed at the 10 items. 2 out of the 10 I kept. The others I said, you know, find something else. I'm not working right now, or at least not in an office. I'm working from home, okay? I'm not going anywhere, and I'm never returning to an office. So unless I get another job that requires me to go to an office. So I'm forever at home. There's really no need for work blouses or dresses for work. You know, I mean, that is the last thing that I need. So when I declined everything, I said, I'm never leaving the house again. I'm permanently work from home. I'm looking for casual but yet put together styles, you know? I don't want loungewear because I feel sloppy wearing that. I want to feel good about myself, but I want to look, you know, put together and nice, but casual. So when I got my shipping notification, I looked and I actually reached out to Kayla from Kayla's Closet, and I said, I am so excited. So I was so disappointed, first because of the drama I had with the January fix, and this was supposed to be my February fix, and here it is March 20th, and I'm doing an unboxing, right? And then the first preview, I was just like, what is this? I mean, I don't understand where the work clothes were coming from. Yeah, a year ago work clothes, but now, no. And I'm changed my profile and everything. So, and my boards and everything are all like casual and stylish put together outfits. So whatever. So basically, let me show you what I got. This could be a 5 for 5, but you guys might have to stop me. All right. So first up, I do get a pair of shoes. Okay. These are, I'm gonna pull out my little invoice here. These are the Report Footwear Elmer Sport Bottom Wedge in gray, and they're size 7. All right, these are a wedge shoe. I would say they're only probably about a 2.5 inch, and they're snake print, and they feel pretty soft and cozy. I do not have any snake print wedges, and as you can see, the bottom is like a rubber sole. So these are a more casual, you know, shoe that I can definitely wear every day in the summer. I don't have any snake print shoes other than boots, and obviously I'm looking for summer stuff now. So these are a good possibility, all right? These are a good possibility. And they're like a dark snake print. There's like black with a gray. So it's not like a very faded snake print, it's a darker one. So these are a definite possibility. They have, let's see, they're all buckled. Yeah, they have a buckle closure here on the side. 2 bands and you know, around the ankle and back. So I'm pretty excited about these. Oh, and also the whatever it's called down here. They're you guys know what it is. So very excited about that. All right. Next up, I had asked for a pair of Vigos jeans. All right. And lo and behold, because I'm like big into Vigos now, she got me a pair of Vigos jeans. But these are dark gray, and these are the Marley mid-rise. And the Marley, the skinny distressed jean, dark gray, size 0, and these are $68. The shoes are $65, which I don't think is a bad price, all right? They're not leather, but $65. I was at DSW, which is right by my house, $65 for a pair of sandals. It's unfortunately the going price. And these are $68, the Vigos. Okay, they got the released hem, or not released hem, but frayed hem down at the bottom. A little bit distressing on the back, and some pretty heavy distressing here at the knees. And, you know, years ago, I'd be like, distressing, I'm never gonna wear distressing, you know? Now I'm like, I ain't going anywhere, I'm fine with distressing, I don't care. It's in style, and I don't care. They do have some stretch to them, but not as much as my other Vigos jeans, so we'll have to see how these fit. You guys are gonna have to keep me honest. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day, because I purposely wore this outfit because it was kind of similar to what's in this box. So you guys are gonna have to tell me whether or not these new items I can justify, all right? Next up is this Market and Spruce hands crochet front top in black, size extra small, for $58. Now I've seen this floating around, and I see many YouTubers get this one before too. And it's funny, don't shoot me, but when I saw it on other YouTubers and when I saw it in my preview, I thought, that kind of looks a little, sorry, matronly. You know, that's what I thought when I saw it. But when I got it and I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, you know, this is kind of cute. I think with a long necklace, I think it would look kind of cute. It has a zipper here that's exposed in the back, and I kind of like this. I definitely think it needs a longer necklace to break up the crew neck or the rounded neckline. It's, you know, and not give it some definition or some length in front. But yeah, this is cute. This is a possibility. I have like a red sleeveless type of crochet type at the top. And I have black tops that have lace to them, but I don't have anything quite like this. And yes, I do have a lot of black tops, but this is kind of cute. So I'm like pretty excited about this. Okay. Next up, I got this cardigan. This is the Love Ellie Raina Chevron back detailed cardigan in light gray, extra small, and this is only $46. So here's the back detail, which is kind of like a chevron stripe, okay? And it's gray, and it has ribbed sleeves and a rib front, and it has the 2 side splits, and it's an open front cardigan, and it is very pretty light gray color, okay? So I think these all together make a pretty damn cute outfit, you know? The gray jeans, the snake shoes, right? The black top and the gray cardigan. I think this is adorable. And they're all in the $60, $68 and less price range. So I'm thrilled with what she sent me. Totally my style. This is totally me. All right, so I'm like thrilled with this stylist. All right, and this is like after being pissed off in January, absolutely being pissed off in February, and then she sends me a preview that I was like, no. So next up is this Liverpool Leonora tie front skirt in olive in size 0 petite, okay? Now, this is adorable. This one is $68. I do have some concerns about this. One is, I don't know if I'm gonna fit my little chunky self into this, because I did put on a few pounds, both body fat and muscle. So I think between the two of them, this might look obscenely tight. I will give it a shot. Second, it is a petite, and even though I am petite, this is kind of like a mini skirt style, and I'm 52. I think at this, it might be a little too short. Don't get me wrong, I will wear things, I do like things hitting my knee, even 2 to 3 inches above my knee. Any more than that, yeah, I'm not so comfortable anymore. So I will try this, I will see how it looks. The other concern is the tie front. So tie fronts typically I feel kind of add bulk on me and make me look fatter than I am. And I know you're looking at me, I'm nuts, I'm not fat. I know I'm not fat, but I just don't think they're quite too flattering on me. So I will try this on. I'll play around with the belt. Maybe if I put the knot at the side, it will look cuter. And I will see if it works, and I will show it to you if it does fit, okay? I'm gonna give me a minute. I want to show you my outfit of the day because it's kind of similar to what I have here. So you guys are gonna have to tell me, no, Carolyn, you can't get it because you already have something similar. Oh, Carolyn, it's different enough and it looks good on you. Get it. So wait to the end, but let me show you my outfit of the day. Hold on. Okay, outfit of the day. This is a cardigan that I got from Trendsend. It is dip dyed. The bottom portion is black, and then it fades up into a light gray here on top. And I just have it paired with a black cami. This was cheap. I think I got it like at a loft outlet years ago when I was in Vegas. And it has a little lace on top. And I have on a pair of White House Black Market jeggings. They have the faux pockets here, real pockets in the back. They are jegging style. They're definitely stretchy, skinny. They're very comfortable, but they're in a dark gray. There is no distressing on them. Give me a second. I also have another pair of dark gray pants to show you. Okay, I have these dark gray. These are Pistola. They're cargo style with zippers. Again, no distressing. You know, clean front and bottom, but they are in a dark gray. I also have this dark gray cardigan that's long. It's from White House Black Market. It's almost black, but it is still a gray color. All right. On top of that, I have these light gray jackets. So I have this blazer, right? The skies are blue, and it looks like I need to put it in the wash. There's something here on the back of the collar, so that will go in the wash. And then this is from White House Black Market outlet years ago from Vegas. I went there for my 50th, so that was 2 years ago. And this is a light gray, all right? So remember, I don't have a light gray cardigan, but I have this light gray and black dip dyed, and then 2 light gray jackets, plus a dark gray cardigan, plus 2 gray pants, all right? Give me a minute and I will do a try on, and you guys are gonna have to let me know if this looks too similar to what I already own. Give me a minute. First outfit, I got 4 of the items on, and I love this outfit. This outfit is totally me. And maybe it's me because it's pretty much like what I just was wearing, you know, let me know. So it's a plain light gray sweater. You know, I'll show you the close-up of it so you can see the ribbing. It's soft. It's definitely a spring weight sweater, right? So even though this is like dark colors and everything, this is like perfect now for New Jersey, all right? These are pretty heavily distressed Vigos jeans. They fit very comfortably. There's not much stretch in these in comparison to the other jeans I have, but they're still very comfortable. You know, can you see my knees? Yes, you can see my knees, and you can see the distressing. They're way more distressing than I'm used to, because you gotta remember, in my old world, I was able to wear jeans to work, but I couldn't wear these to work. So when I had jeans, you know, I had maybe 1 or 2 distressed, but the rest of them were clean, so I could wear them to work. Now, I don't care what my jeans look like, because I'm not going anywhere. All right, so here's the Hans Distress Crochet Top. I really like it. It's cute. I have tons of black tops, and I've said that before in my video. I'm like, more black, you know, but I really like this one. And the funny thing is, I passed judgment on it when I first saw it. I'm going, oh, I got the matronly top, but I think it's cute, you know. It doesn't give me that matronly vibe when I see it in person. When I saw it like when everybody else unboxed it, and when I saw it online, that's what I saw. Like, you know, when I had thought in my head. So I said, I'll keep an open mind, and I did. And when I unboxed it, I was like, this is cute. So I'm pretty happy with this. Let me pan down and show you the shoes. They're extremely comfortable because they're a lower heel, but they still have a heel. Okay. All right. So here are the shoes. Very comfortable. I would totally wear this as an outfit. I think this is adorable and so me. All right, let's see. Let me pan you up, and then let me do a turnaround so you can see the front, the side, And the back, all right. Let me know your thoughts. I think if I send this back, I am going to be sad, all right? Even though it looks a lot like what I was just wearing, I think I might be sad. But you guys let me know what you would do if you were in my shoes, all right? And speaking of shoes, I don't have anything like the snake print. I mean, I literally don't. I have snake print boots, and I have plenty of black wedge sandals. I don't have any kind of snake print shoes other than those boots. So these would be really unique to my closet, the sandals. So I think I'm going to keep those because they're very low heel. They're comfortable. I think these are something I could probably wear all day without it bothering my feet. All right, give me a minute. I'm going to try and attempt to put the skirt on. Okay, last is the skirt. Now I am short and I am typically a 0 petite. This comes to my fingertips, so it's not like really short, but it is a little on the borderline for me. So I can wear this, but it is definitely something that I would prefer it to be like maybe like a ½ inch longer. It just makes it. I feel a little snug, but I just showed my husband and he says it's not snug. So here's the back of it, okay? It has the 2 front pockets here, which, I'm trying to decide whether they're flat or they're pulling. But because I'm always like a little self-conscious, I would probably keep my hands in my pockets most of the time because that's just the way I am with pretty much anything. I think this might be a 5 for 5. You guys are gonna have to let me know. This is definitely like a summer skirt because it's very short and it's casual. It's like an olive green Liverpool. I don't have any olive skirts. I kept it on with the crochet top, but I obviously can do lots with it because olive is a pretty neutral color. I really like everything, and I think if I send anything back, I think I might be sad. But you guys let me know, put down your comments below what your thoughts of this fix were. Is it just too similar to what I already have? Do you have to say, Carolyn, it looks identical to what you're wearing already? Then maybe I'll start thinking twice, all right? But right now, I think this is a 5 for 5. And I don't usually have many of those. I think the last time I had one was right around the pandemic last year when it all started. Well, thank you for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate your support. Welcome any new subscribers. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxings. As I get them in, I like to share them with you. All right, take care, and until next time.